Happy today, everyone, and thanks for stopping by. Today I'll be making cheesy Fideo spaghetti with Italian sausage. And here are the ingredients. I have a flour slurry, that's just flour and water. I have 2 Italian sausages. I have butter. I have seasoning salt and black pepper. I have some heavy whipping cream. I have some evaporated milk, and I have some whole milk. Here I have some Fideo spaghetti, which are just like spaghettis that are broken into pieces is all. And here I have 5 different cheeses. I have Parmesan, I have mozzarella, I have mild cheddar, Gouda, I have Swiss Gruyere, and I have sharp cheddar. And here's what we're going to do next. We're going to take the sausages out of the casing. You just kind of like tear a hole in the top and just kind of like squeeze it out if that'll make it easier. Whatever's easier for you. Ooh, this pan is too hot. Turn this down a bit. Do it whichever way is easier for you. You can just cut it off. Slice it down the middle and open it up, or you can just squeeze it out like I'm doing. And now we're going to do the famous scramble of the ground meat. Turn it down so it's cooking pretty fast. And I'm going to continue to cook this up, and I'll be right back. And because this sausage is a little tougher than hamburger or the other ground meats, you may have to take a potato masher like this and break it up. Okay, let me finish this. I removed it from the pan and I'm going to set it aside, and now we're going to do the bechamel sauce. We're going to add our whole milk. It's okay, just turn the pan down a little bit. Evaporated milk. Your whipping cream. And we're going to add our flour slurry. Just add a little bit at a time. That's the flour and water, remember? Stir it well and just add. It's going to thicken it up some. You're going to stir it around and cook it up a little bit because you don't want to taste that flour, that raw flour taste. So you're just going to cook it a while till you think that's kind of gone. You have to continuously stir because you don't want to get any lumps. And when it starts to boil like this, you turn it down some. And you're going to start adding your cheese. You're going to whisk it in. Don't add it all at once. Add a little at a time so that it doesn't get too thick. But if it does, you can always add a little more milk. Continue to stir. Now I'm going to add a pinch or so of seasoned salt. Add your favorite type. I'm going to add some pepper. Stir. This is about the consistency that I like it. You can see. So you know it's thick enough. Now I'm going to cover and set aside. And we're going to cook our spaghetti. Okay, I've drained my pasta, and while the pasta was boiling, I kind of like blotted my sausage because it was just a little bit greasy. Now I'm going to add some butter. Looks like plenty. Plenty, plenty. Add some more seasoned salt. And I'm going to start to add some bechamel. Nice and cheesy. You just add some at a time until it's to your liking. You don't want to pour it all in at once. Maybe too much, and then you can't take it out, as with salt. Little at a time. I'm going to add some basil, some dried basil. Not a whole lot for me because it's a little potent. It's a lot potent, as a matter of fact. I'm going to add some sausage. The rest of it also. And I'm going to put some on a plate, and I'll be back. And here you go, cheesy Fideo spaghetti with Italian sausage. Well, thanks for hanging out, and I hope you enjoyed this as much as I did. Meanwhile, do something nice for someone. And until then, be well. Or might I say, until next time, be well. Later, my friends.